everyone, it's Lisa from Early On, and today I'm going to show you how to make some crafts around snowflakes. Snowflakes everywhere. So the first one we're going to do is with a coffee filter and some pasta, any kind of shape you want, and then some cut up straws. And you also need a little bit of blue food coloring. So the first thing we're going to do is color our coffee filter. And this one gets a little messy. So you need to have some newspaper down or some paper so you don't ruin the table. And then you're just going to use, I'm using an eyedropper, but if you have any leftover medicine, you can use the dropper from that, or you can just use a spoon, or a Q-tip works too. And we're just going to spread it all over our coffee filter. And if you can see, it spreads really quick. And then you're going to do that, and you're going to cover your whole coffee filter so that it ends up looking like this. And it takes a few minutes to dry. And when it's dry, you're going to use your straws and pasta to create a beautiful scene on your coffee filter. And you can decorate it however you want. And you can use some glue. You can use white glue or a glue stick, whatever you have at home works. So the next craft we're going to make is made out of pipe cleaners and some colorful beads. So what you need to do is cut your pipe cleaners in half, and then you need to have 4 of them bunched together, and then you're going to take one of them to use to tie them all around so that they hold together. And then you're going to spread them out so that they look like a snowflake. Like that. And then you're going to use your beads and you're going to string them or thread them through, all different colors. Probably 4 or 5 on each pipe cleaner. And then you're going to make a loop with the end to hold those beads on. And you're going to do that for all of them. And then you're going to end up with this really cute snowflake that you can hang in your window, and the shine and the glitter. So now we're going to make a sparkly snowflake with popsicle sticks. So you need 4 popsicle sticks, and they need to be either painted blue or you can use a marker. I used a marker and I just colored them on both sides. So you end up with a blue popsicle stick, and you have to do that 4 times. And then you need some white glue or craft glue, or if you have a grown-up at home, you can use some hot glue, and you're going to stick it together to make this or snowflake shape. And then when you're all done that and they're all glued together, you're going to use some either glitter or sequins or leftover sparkles, and you're going to spread it all over your popsicle sticks. And it makes a little bit of a mess, but it's really, really fun. I hope you enjoyed these crafts. Have a happy holiday. See you next time.